you ever owned a car with a 1 litre engine before?
Do you know what? I haven't. I think 1.3 is the smallest one, so yeah, this is. Well, it's going to be faster because that was 70 horsepower.
Yeah.
So this is going to be better.
I think you'll be right.
Yeah.
You know that you need to press the button, then you press that button, it locks everything out, you'll go over the top of whatever you're going to hit, and then you'll keep going. Whereas you hit it hard and you stop and all sorts of problems occur.
So if your hip's about to fall out, because we know he's got a dicky if he's getting old, then we'll be alright with
The
it.
test drive goes okay.
Yeah.
Because this one is much bigger, because you can see it going down. This is actually really big. This is probably higher than the Range Rover.
Oh, you're going to get your jeans dirty, mate.
You can use it to put if you want, it's easy.
See you later, mate.
Oh, this is weird. It feels like it's cracking. This feels weird, this. Feels like it's cracking.
On the pace? Yeah.
So you might be wondering why we're actually in this car. Well, when we was away a few months ago, we was in Tenerife and we hired one of these out, not as good as this, but it was an off-road buggy. And this is why we wanted to do it again now on the road.
I have got to admit though, the weather was a little bit better in Tenerife.
What's going on here?
Where's your own?
So much fun, this. I'm not even going anywhere.
You look like you're enjoying yourself.
When you put your foot down, the buggy actually, it feels like it's going to do a wheelie. The front end, so have a look.
Oh my god, I'm shaping it because, and you're still indicating the wrong way as well. Oh, right, Mackies. We go off road. This is all the figment of your imagination.
Yeah.
And it's like off-roading. But it was like an open gate, we had to do it.
Yeah.
So I am sorry. We definitely had fun.
Thanks very much.